mushrooming controversy involving runaway JPA leaders Mount Pleasant Football Academy and their reported use of 2 ineligible players transferred from Haitian club Real Hope. But somehow they went back to represent Real Hope in the CONCACAF Championships before returning and playing about 6 games for Mount Pleasant. So the allegation is that the players played for both in the same window, which is not supposed to happen. But we are also told that the players in question got the relevant release from Real Hope and subsequently registered by Mount Pleasant. Thus, they got their identification cards from the JFF. How then can Mount Pleasant be wrong? If Real Hope released the players, the JFF, who runs the Premier League, issued their ID cards, then Mount Pleasant cannot be blamed for taking league advice from the people who actually run the Premier League. How so? Like the Maverick, King's Counsel.